What is vlogging? A video blog, vlog, or vlogging is the setting up of a specific channel on a video sharing site such as YouTube and uploading videos on a regular basis. The goal of your vlog is to provide engaging content in a specific niche that will create a reaction from viewers and grow your following or subscriber base. Vlogging took off around 10 years ago when video sharing sites such as YouTube became really popular. Videos are a lot more interesting than text-based content. Most people would sooner watch a short video than read hundreds of words of text. Can vlogging really make you money? Yes, it certainly can. But you need to go about it in the right way, which is what this training is all about. We will show you how to choose a niche to vlog about, the best video platform to use, how to set up your channel correctly, and a lot more. Why should you start a vlog? There are many good reasons why you should start a vlog right now. The first of these is that video has tremendous impact these days. YouTube and Facebook currently dominate the world of internet video. There is a reason that both of these platforms introduce live streaming video. It is what people want. People like to watch videos, and in particular, they like vlogs. Some of the most successful channels on YouTube are vlogs. Once you start to get a following for your vlog, the word will spread quickly and you will get a lot more subscribers. Vlogging is one of the best ways for you to share your talents, ideas, and thoughts about a subject. When you create a vlog, your audience is not expecting Hollywood movie quality. In fact, quite the opposite. A vlog needs to be natural and casual and really connect with the viewer. There are all kinds of successful vlogs out there. A lot of travel vlogs allow the vloggers to travel around the world through donations, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and other revenue opportunities. Take a look at the popularity of reality TV. People like to watch other ordinary people doing things that they love. If you have a specific talent, then you can show the world how you put this to good use. Once you start to build a following, then there will be opportunities for you to market your skills. By demonstrating that you are really good at something in your vlog, you are bound to get requests from people interested in hiring you. Some people start a vlog because they want to document their life and create a memory to share with future generations. They have no financial aspirations for doing this. This is a training about making money from vlogging, so we wouldn't recommend this approach. However, a number of vloggers who started off in this way have made passive income. There are already some very successful vloggers on YouTube that make a significant income from their vlog. People like Roman Atwood, Lily Singh, Casey Neistat, Zoella, and Alfie Diaz are all good examples. These people all have deals with brands where they make a significant income. Brands constantly scour YouTube for new vloggers, and if they can find good ones, they will approach them directly with deals or sponsorship.